One day, the brethren were with benefactors of the abbey in their old villa, the which was full of heirlooms, portraits and pictures, all with their own mystery of unknown days. Each had a story never known. And I was puzzled and sat and wrote Fuerunt. They were, they have been. Upon a day there hangs a day or two, not made of time, but of long hours gone by, that linger yet, for set in fading hue of pigment and of pen, the moments high but once upon the cosmos where they moved are true again, a while, a little while. For though no heart beat yet where these once loved, there hovers mystery upon a smile. O faces of our yesterday, what knew the placid grin that thus withstands the age, that set where your sun set? And what was true but once in time, that for all time a page holds firm for man's long puzzling? What a more remains of pains and ecstasies of your around the same time. I was busy writing the martyrology for the community. These contained the saints that corresponded to the day, and I had to select saints suitable for our community and spirituality. And I thought these were stars that will burn forever. O volume that I wind and seal at last, O rotula with many souls enrolled, each merry one eternity to blast with glory high, by one shy story told. 'Tis dense with commas and full periods marked upon the map of Chronos, where no man may trespass or undo an aeon sparked by pain and gain that demons all did fan. Fly high, my brethren, call where gazing faints. For though I know a fondness that hath fear to let all go but God, the plod of saints from dust to stardust conquered, draws me near, and I shall yield this morsel, this last sigh, if fondness unto madness may draw nigh.